man. Today it's April 1st, and it's April Fool's Day, and I want to make the whole school in panic, but I don't know what to do. Is there any ideas? Oh wait, I know what to do. I could pull fire alarm, and it also says on the title on YouTube.
Hey, Caillou, you know you can't break the fourth wall. You vive a pinata bald head. If you do anything bad, you will be fired, and we had to make another Grounded series, which it will be rosy. Understand?
Yes, I understand. I won't do it again, Mr. Robot. This is gonna be the best prank ever. Let's go to class so I don't be late.
Good morning, class. Does anyone knows what bi is? Yes, Caillou.
The answer is, may I use the bathroom?
No. And by the way, that's not even the answer. And fine, you can use the bathroom, but come back for 2 minutes, or it's an after-school detention.
Now time to pull it. Oh shit, Miss Green, I think there's fire in the school.
Okay, students, let's line up so we could get out of here.
Oh shit, now it's getting worse. I need to go back to my classmates.
Oh, Caillou. Thank good you're here. Quick, let's go outside.
1 hour later, all the teachers were out from the building and continued the. Later, the firefighters came. Now what's next?
Please, sir, is there any fire?
No, there's no fire at all. I think it's a false alarm. Somebody might pull down the button as a prank. By the way, I gotta go. Bye.
Goodbye.
Whatever it is, somebody might push the button on accident. Alright, class, let's get back to learning.
May we have your attention, please? I'm not very happy, because somebody was doing a prank and made all staff go outside. Teachers, please have a talk with your students, please. Thank you.
Well, students, do you know who could do that? Pulling the fire alarm.
Well, Miss Green, I think it was Caillou, because he's such a troublemaker. Oh, shut the fuck up, Leo. You gingerbread. I never did that shit. You asswife. I was in the bathroom the whole time. That's it. I will beat your ass. You ugly face.
Caillou, come with me, in my office.
What the hell is going on?
Do you know why I call you there? Oh, never mind. All cameras caught you pulling the fire alarm. Why did you do that?
Well, because I... Ha 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 ha. April Fools. Bitches.
Caillou, that shit isn't funny. That's it. You're suspended for 1 week. And I'm calling your mom. You're in so much trouble. You ball skunk.
Caillou, 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 Caillou. How dare you pull the fucking fire alarm at school? That's so Grounded, 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 grounded for 1 decade. Now go to your fucking room. Now you Caillou shit.
Wow 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 wow. I'm a stupid kid that has a flying head and sucks dick every day.